In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. If you want to let visitors book appointments directly from your website, adding Calendly to Squarespace is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to grab your Calendly embed code and place it into a Squarespace page so your scheduling widget appears right on your site. To begin, open Calendly and go to the event or scheduling page you want to embed. Once you're there, click the three-dot menu associated with that event. This opens more options for sharing and embedding your booking page. From that menu, click Add to Website. Calendly gives you a few different ways to place your scheduler on a site, and for this setup, you'll want to choose Inline Embed. This option places the scheduler directly inside the page content, which is usually the best choice for Squarespace if you want visitors to book without opening a separate pop-up or new tab. After selecting Inline Embed, click Copy Code. This copies the full embed code to your clipboard. Keep that ready because the next part happens inside Squarespace. Now switch over to Squarespace and open the page where you want your Calendly scheduler to appear. Edit the page, then click. Add block in the section where you want the booking widget to be displayed. In the block search, type code so you can quickly find the correct block type. Then click Code to insert a code block into the page. Once the code block has been added, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the block settings where you can paste the embed code you copied from Calendly. Paste the code into the code field carefully, making sure the full snippet is included. This is what allows Squarespace to load the Calendly scheduler properly inside your page. After pasting the code, save your changes and preview the page. In many cases, the embedded scheduler should now appear right inside your site. If it doesn't show up, there's an important thing to keep in mind. Squarespace code embedding features may require a paid plan. So if the code block is not rendering the Calendly widget, you may need to upgrade to a plan that supports this functionality. A good final tip is to test the page from a visitor's perspective after publishing. That way, you can confirm the calendar loads correctly and the booking experience works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. And that's how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace.